My dear students of class 6, dear student, this is the digital video of science and chapter 1. Chapter 1, that is food. From where does it comes from? My dear students, in this chapter and in this video, you will see a lot number of things as you have seen in the previous videos, that in this section you have to see the sources of different sources of food, sources of food. So sources of food are plants and animals. These are the sources. And my dear students, in this video you will see the topic, that is the food chain and food web. So food chain and food web, that you will understand in this video. Now let us see the food chain. And in this food chain you will see the dependency of the different organisms on each other. So dependency means they get depend upon suppose this is the grass, and this grass get eaten by the grasshopper, this grasshopper get eaten by the frog, this frog get eaten by the snake, this snake again eaten by the eagle. So my dear student, this is a food chain. This is a linear food chain that you are looking here, and you are looking here the dependency of the grasshopper is on grass, and dependency of the frog is on grasshopper, and dependency of snake, that is on the frog, and dependency of the snake, that is dependency of the eagle, that is on the snake for the food. So this is the interlinking of the dependency of different types of the living organisms for to fulfill their need of the food. Therefore, my dear student, you have to see that there are several other things which get connected with this. Suppose this is a grass that get eaten by the deer, and this deer get eaten by the lion. So lion and this lion, when get die, they get decomposer. This is a new thing that you are looking here, decomposers, and decomposes all the things. It decomposes the frog, it decomposes the snake, it decomposes the eagle. So decomposers. Similarly, if this grass gets eaten by the rabbit, this rabbit further get eaten by the jackal, this jackal get eaten by the lion or tiger. So this is a food web, food chain and food web, and this tiger and lion get decomposed. This will be decomposed. This thing will be decomposed by the decomposers. Decomposers are the different bacteria. So my dear students, this is all about the food, where does it comes from, and as far as human is concerned, human being make the different dishes either by the grass, either by the plants, or by the animals, and different dishes, the formation of different dishes that is dependent upon the ingredient. So different ingredients are responsible for the forming a dish, and that dish will be either vegetarian or that dish will be a non-vegetarian. My dear student, you will see somehow some question answers on this chapter. So if you see some question answers on this chapter, then you will see that take some examples of question answer that given in your books, and that question answers are presenting in this digital video so that you can learn it. So my dear students, some examples of the question answers that you will learn here, and examples are the number one, famous food of Rajasthan. So that will be the kachori. Kachori is the famous food of the Rajasthan. Second, famous food are dishes of West Bengal, that is fish curry, fish plus rice. Third, that is the famous food of Punjab, that is makka roti and plus mustard wheat. Therefore, that is the famous food of Tamil Nadu, that is dosa plus idli, etc. Dosa, idli, sambar, etc. Come to five famous food are dishes of Maharashtra, that is pav bhaji plus bada pav. So this is the famous food of Maharashtra. So my dear students, these are some examples of the questions that are based on the different types of the dishes that people are making in the different states like Rajasthan, West Bengal, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Dhokla from the Gujarat also. My dear students, now let us see some other questions, question answer exercises on this chapter. And in this question answer exercise, you will be able to learn the different types of the different hybrid questions, so that you can learn it in your mind and become a good student. But yes, some question that is on the base of the high thinking, and question is, I student is going to Punjab for a school trip. What will be the school trip from Tamil Nadu? What will be the difference and difficulties in getting food in Punjab. So my dear student, a student is going on a school trip from Tamil Nadu to Punjab. So as you know that in Tamil Nadu the student was taking the food like dosa, idli, sambar, etc. and that is made from the rice, while in Punjab the different kinds of the food will be there, and that student will face the change in the feeding habit of the Tamil Nadu and Punjab. So he will search the food of the Tamil Nadu in the Punjab, and by searching almost somewhere he will get the shop of the food like dosa, idli, sambar, South Indian food. So he will not face any difficulty if he will be able to get that particular shop that is making the dosa, idli, sambar, etc. that is the South Indian food, and if he will get that particular restaurant, that particular shop, then he will face no any difficulty in getting the food. So my dear students, this is all about the today's video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.